So this is the Vossloh DE18 in Northrail Deutsche Bahn livery. It's a brand new model by Rivarossi and it's beautifully detailed. I like these little painted buffers with the wear marks on them. You've got an NEM coupler pocket there, got a standard European hoop coupling in it. You can remove that and fit your own couplings. There's also blanking plates like a snow plough to go underneath there in the parts bag if you want to remove the coupling entirely. Got some nice lighting features. You control the top lamp there. The rear lamps are on separate controls as well. And we've got these control panel lamps and the interior lighting there. Really nicely detailed. Lots of separately applied parts. Do like the little Vossloh print there. And all of this markings down the side as well. This is a digital sound model. It's beautifully smooth running. So it has 28 functions on the chip and it's a lock sound 5. All the usual sound effects.
Mesdames et messieurs, attention à la voie 3, un train passera sans arrêt.
A French announcement, that's unusual.
Démarrez la locomotive vers l'arrière. Locomotive avec 3 monte de la voie 10 à la voie 31.
Must be the owners.
Bien reçu.
And a nice sound profile with the diesel electric. And shut down now.